Hello, good morning, my dear student. How are you? I hope you are very good, fit and fine. Today we are going to starting that continue portion of Rot was writing. That second part of Rot was writing. In the last session in Rot was writing, we have already discussed about what is the meaning of past continuous tense. In that past continuous tense, we have already solved the different types of sentences which are given in the example number 1. Okay, now we are on the page number 40. That is the forward topic of that past continuous tense. So here some sentences are given. So first read the sentences, then we are moved to solve this all the given example which are given on page number 41. Okay, so started with this, read the sentences. The light went out while we were having supper. Okay, कि जब हम रात का डिनर ले रहे थे तब लाइट चली गई थी. ओके, तो यहाँ पे देखो लाइट जब रात का डिनर ले रहे थे मतलब कंटिन्यू था रात का डिनर और तभी लाइट चली गई थी. मतलब ये पास्ट टेंस भी है और कंटिन्यूस भी हो रहा है, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म हो गया. द बॉय हिट मी व्हेन आई वाज नॉट लुकिंग. सो व्हेन आई वाज नॉट लुकिंग द बॉय हिट मी, कि जब मैं नहीं देख रहा था तब बॉय ने मुझे हिट कर दिया. मतलब नहीं देख रहा था, कंटिन्यूस नहीं देख रहा था, उसी टाइम उसने हिट कर दिया. दैट ऑल्सो पास्ट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म. Somebody picked my pocket just as I was getting into the bus. So just I was getting into the bus, somebody picked my pocket. जैसे ही मैं बस के अंदर घुसा तभी किसी ने मेरा पॉकेट उठाया. ओके, जैसे ही अंदर की तरफ जा रहा था बस के अंदर. So that is also past continuous form, क्योंकि continuous form से हो रहा है और past tense sentence है. So we see from the above sentences which describe unfinished actions can be also follow the joining words when while as and we can put these joining words at the beginning of a sentences. कि जो ऐसे sentences होते हैं जो इनके एक्शन कंप्लीट हुई नहीं है तो वहाँ पे हम when while और just as और या फिर as इनका यूज़ करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम एक सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और नया सेंटेंस हम बना सकते हैं. दैट मीनिंग इज सेम बट दैट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस ऑल द थिंग्स विदाउट वेस्ट आवर टाइम. Now for example number 2, page number 41. While we wait for the train, a lot of people gathered on the platform. So we have to convert the sentence into past continuous form. So here you can see first we have started with the while. So while we were. Now here you can see हमें ये वेट है इसको पास्ट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म बनाना है तो हमें आगे हेल्पिंग वर्ब लेना पड़ेगा ना इसका. सो while we were वी है, सो हम ये प्लूरल फॉर्म है तो हमने यहाँ पे वर्ड लिया है. सो while we were, अब वेट है तो ये हमारा पास्ट टेंस आ गया. वी वर ये हमारा पास्ट टेंस हो गया तो वेट को कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म बनाएंगे. सो दैट वेटिंग. ओके, सो while we were waiting for the train देन आगे का जो सेंटेंस है वो एज इट इज रहेगा कॉमा करके. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल गैदर्ड ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. दैट इज आवर सेंटेंस. ओके, इन सिमिलर वे वी हैव टू फिल द सेकंड वन. द वुमन कट हर फिंगर व्हाइल शी कट द वेजिटेबल. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फॉर्म दिस, कन्वर्ट द सेंटेंस इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस सेंटेंस with the help of the verb that cut. Okay, so start with the while, again while because it is used with that while. So while woman, a woman, we can say that here woman, she is a girl, alright, she is a girl. So here we have to use that singular verb, and that singular verb we are using here was. Okay, so while woman was cutting, that we have to convert that into a continuous form. Woman was, that past tense, and cutting that continuous tense. Okay, so while woman was cutting the vegetables, comma, the remaining sentence like she cut her finger. In that way you have to complete it. Okay, now third one, in a similar way you have to done that third one, like just as I go to bed I heard a knock at the door. Right, so look it here. Just as I was going to bed, हम लिखेंगे कैसे लिखेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे just as I. Now here we can see going. I, that I is a singular person, singular verb we are using here was. go का हो जाएगा going because we have to form that continuous tense. To bed, while I am going to bed, comma, I heard a knock at the door. कि जैसे ही मैं सोने के लिए बेड पे गया मैंने बाहर की तरफ आवाज़ सुना था दरवाजे के ऊपर. ठीक है. So in that way we have to fill that all the remaining sentences. You can see here the remaining portion you have to fill from here. While Ashok played football, he broke his knee. While Ashok was playing football, he broke his knee. कि जब अशोक फुटबॉल खेल रहा था तभी उसने अपने घुटने की नली तोड़ दी. Broke his knee. She saw him just as he get off the bus. Just as he was getting off the bus, जैसे वो बाहर निकला बस के, she saw him. उसने उसको देखा. We put on our raincoats when it started raining. When it started raining, we were putting on our raincoat. Okay. Now they reached the town when the sun set. When the sun was setting, they reached the town. They have their dinner when the guest came in. When the guest came in, they were having their dinner. So in this way, you have to complete this all the remaining portion. Now we are going to ending here. Bye bye. Take care.